Next, we will discuss another serious risk of smoking during pregnancy. Smoking while pregnant is extremely dangerous because harmful substances, such as carbon monoxide and nicotine, pass from the mother's bloodstream to the developing fetus, affecting its growth and development. Carbon monoxide reduces the oxygen supply to the fetus. It binds to hemoglobin more strongly than oxygen, which means the mother's blood carries less oxygen. Consequently, the fetus receives insufficient oxygen, which is vital for healthy growth. This lack of oxygen can result in low birth weight, underdeveloped organs, and slower development in the womb. At the same time, nicotine restricts blood flow to the placenta by causing blood vessels to constrict. This limits the delivery of oxygen and essential nutrients to the fetus. A poorly nourished placenta cannot adequately support the fetus, further impairing growth and development. Overall, smoking during pregnancy poses significant risks, leading to serious complications for the fetus and increasing the likelihood of long-term health problems after birth. So, smoking during pregnancy greatly increases the likelihood of serious complications for the baby. One of the main concerns is premature birth. The stress caused by smoke on the placenta and fetus can lead to babies being born too early. Premature infants often struggle with breathing difficulties and may have underdeveloped organs, making their early development more challenging. Another severe risk is stillbirth. When the fetus is deprived of sufficient oxygen and essential nutrients due to smoking, it can, in extreme cases, result in death before birth. Babies exposed to smoke in the womb are also at a higher risk of developmental problems. These can include poor lung development, learning difficulties, and behavioral issues that may appear later in childhood. Additionally, these children are more likely to face long-term health challenges, such as asthma or other chronic conditions. Overall, smoking during pregnancy can have lasting and potentially life-threatening effects on the baby's growth, development, and long-term health. So this was all about Unit 12.1, where we explored the concept of disease. The detailed topical notes for this chapter are available in the description below and also in the pinned comment. I will be back very soon with the next topic, so stay tuned, and thank you for watching.